They're quick, easy and delicious. These easy peasy pea and ham fritters make a tasty snack and a colourful starter. I always like to give my guests a drink and something to nibble as soon as they arrive, and these little green beauties fit the bill perfectly. To make these fritters you will need frozen peas, plain flour, baking powder, 1 egg, milk, and for the ham I'm using pulled ham hock. First, put 150 grams of the frozen peas in a sieve and run hot water over them to defrost. Add the peas to a pan of boiling water, bring back to the boil and boil for 2 minutes. Drain the peas. I'm reserving a couple of dessert spoons of whole peas, and the rest are going into my food processor. Close the lid. A few pulses to roughly puree. I'm not looking for a smooth puree here. I want a mixture of whole peas and crushed peas. Scrape all the pureed mixture from the processor bowl and mix with the reserved whole peas. In the bowl is 30 grams of plain flour. Add a half teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a stir to mix. Make a well in the centre. Add the egg. Break it up a little. Work the flour from the sides until completely mixed. Now add the tablespoon of milk and whisk until smooth. Finally, add the peas and about 50 grams of the ham. And mix well. Almost forgot, season with salt and pepper. To go with my fritters, I'm making a mustard sauce with 4 dessert spoons of fat-free natural yogurt and 1 dessert spoon of ready-made mustard. You can't get any more simple than that. All you have to do is give it a whisk and that is it. Outside, my Weber Q's fired up, it's nice and hot, and today I'm using the griddle. A quick spray of oil and about a tablespoon of the mixture for each fritter. You should get 6 or 7 depending on how generous you are. Flatten a little and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If you're liking it so far, then give us a thumbs up. Sub the channel, click the button, ding the bell. And now, let's get back to my fritters. Time to flip them and cook the other side. As you can see, they're just charred a little, but still retain much of that vibrant green colour of the peas. Here's a deliciously simple starter, a tempting, tasty snack, which is easy to make, quick to cook, and guaranteed to please. There's so much more to come on this channel, which I know you won't want to miss. So sub the channel, click the button, ding the bell, and you won't miss a thing. These fritters are absolutely delicious. And with that tasty mouthful, it's goodbye from me, the dude of the food. So until the next time, thanks for watching.